Oh, right, we're back. So I'll put the toilet seat on here first. So I just kind of put it over the holes. Kind of go, just put a let's see. So they come with washers. So put the washers down. I think once again there were no instructions because someone had bought the toilet, returned it, didn't include all the parts and no instructions, so that was great. You kind of want to line up the toilet seat with the toilet, as you can kind of just look around it as you have it lined up there. It should be lined up on both sides, and the colder ones are kind of weird. They got these weird. Some of them do have these weird nuts. So what you do is from the underside of this thing. Let's see if I can get you guys see up there. On the underside. Nope, that's not it. Arr. Okay, it's like kind of up in the cavity there. Let's see here. Sorry, trying to get you guys to see. There we go. There it is. So it's kind of up in there, kind of hard to access. So what you do is you take the nut like this, and you want to hold the top part down with your hand while you put the nut on there, and you can just kind of work it up the thing, and then you can start turning it, and it goes into that little groove up there. So as you're screwing it, it goes up into that little groove, and then it starts hitting the side. So at the point it starts hitting the side, you want to hold it with your hand. It's got a big wing nut part, and take a screwdriver from the top side. Okay. Take a Phillips head or flathead screwdriver from the top side. While you're taking your hand and holding the bottom side, and then you take a screwdriver top side and screw it in. So I'm gonna grab a screwdriver real quick. Just hold the horses. All right, sorry for the delay. So just gonna reach under here, hold the wing nut, and then tighten this down with a screwdriver. Okay, not crazy tight because these are plastic parts, but enough to hold it. And then just do the same to the other side. So once again, put the washer down, the nut or the bolt down. Like you can push this up a ways, and then push this up away on the bolt, and then start screwing it. Then once where this starts binding on the side of the, usually this big part of the wing nut will start binding on the side of the toilet under there. Then you just reach down, hold it with the other hand, reach from the top with the screwdriver, and yeah, finish it off. So you kind of push it and turn it. It's really this simple. Okay, and then where it basically stops. Oh shoot, this is not super on there, huh? Let's sitting off to the side. Odd. Okay. I need it more seated, more better in there. Okay, that's a little bit better. So kind of make sure it's, yeah, kind of tight, lined up around. Then you put these little tabs back down, and there you go. So they're non-slamming, I guess this one is. Kind of non-slamming, I guess. So yeah, that's kind of cool. Just kind of close gently. That's kind of cool. So anyway, that's super easy. Then just putting the lid on. Now, one thing with the lid, I've noticed that when they make these things, they often have a hole. Sometimes two holes. Now, what I like to do when caulking the toilet is put some caulking in each one of those holes as well, because I've noticed spiders like to live in those. So yeah, you get a little spider hanging out in your toilet lid seat and pooping down your wall, stuff like that. And then spider poop doesn't come off super easy. So kind of a pro tip there, I don't know. So the last step is we're just going to go ahead and caulk these holes here, and then put the lid right on there, and then caulk around the base of the toilet here, and then we'll be done. So the reason why you want that 12 inches of clearance, because you can see when you put the lid on here, it's really close to the wall. So it's like, but it's not touching, and yeah, you want to make sure you have at least that 12 inches of clearance. So we're gonna get the caulking, and we'll be right back.